All new appliances and gadgets come with a 1-year standard warranty from the manufacturer. After the warranty period, the manufacturer is no longer responsible for any breakdown of your device. If something goes wrong with your device, you'll end up spending your precious time locating a service center and incur huge costs for its repairs. If you select to go to an unauthorized service center for a cheaper service, they will cause even more damage by using cheap spare parts. This is not something you want. Welcome to GoWarranty. We, your appliances and gadgets, deliver the best performance by extending your manufacturer's warranty period. Every time you need a service, it's done via authorized service centers with genuine spare parts. This ensures the long-lasting and smooth functioning of your appliances. We also offer a hassle-free pick-and-drop service across India, covering more than 20,000 PIN codes, so that you don't waste your time when you need a service. Our process is completely online with 0% documentation. Our support team is always glad to help you with the queries that you might have. Whenever you get yourself a new appliance or gadget, remember to get an extended warranty from GoWarranty.